Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one beautiful little 77 red Corvette. It's an L82 350 power under the hood, beautifully restored. The car is amazing. And if you want to check out about 100 pictures of it, go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're going to get it up on the lift so you can see just how nice the bottom side is. We'll check it out under the hood. We're going to look at the interior. We're going to show you everything you want to see so you can make a great decision on your Corvette investment. So come on up now and we'll fire it up. So check this beauty out. It's been treated to a new paint job, beautiful restoration. Now I met the gentleman that we bought this car from. He has practically gone through every nut and bolt on this car. I tell you, it is slick as can be, shining beautiful. Look at the wheels and tires. Those wheels look like they're brand spanking new. All the emblems look good. The rocker moldings look good. All the gaps look great. The glass is in beautiful shape. Doors operate smooth as can be. Door jamb itself is nice and clean. Look how clean everything is. Inside door jamb here, inside where the hinges are. The carpeting looks good. Look at all the paint work on the steering column. It does have that telescoping steering wheel. All the gauges are nice and bright. Center console's in beautiful shape. The upholstery on the seats looks good. All the carpeting there in the back here. I'll pull up the, I'll sneak in here and I'll pull this seat up so you can check out back here. A lot of times these 70s Vettes look pretty rough back there. Look at that. It looks brand spanking new in there. Just everything about it, every little bit of the car is nice and clean. Now it does have the T-tops. They are color matched to the car. Beautiful paint work there on the tail. You know, those plastic noses and tail pieces on these cars usually show a lot of wear. This car, like I said, beautiful paint job on it. Look how nice and neat all this is and how the rubber's all nice and new. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this car, so we spent the time to go out and check it out before we bought it. Now, I'm personally involved in the purchase of every one of these cars, and what that means to you is you get my 35 years of experience picking out your dream car so we can park it in your drive. Now, let's go outside and drive it. All right, let's take our 77 Vette for a ride. I'll tell you what, if I could sing Little Red Corvette, I would. This thing is sweet, guys. Look at this. Pulls out in traffic just fine. You want to merge in traffic? This is the vehicle. Man, this thing is sweet. T-tops off, sun's out, and we're driving our Little Red Corvette. This thing is sweet, guys. I love this little car. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're shipping experts. We can ship this car anywhere in the world. Call Tom at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you how easy it is to ship this baby right to your driveway. And if you need some help with financing, we got you covered there too. We got 2 bankers we work with, about 15-20 minute phone call with the banker, and this dream's in your drive. No problem whatsoever. Now, we're right outside the Motor City, and we'd love to have you come down and take a look at them. We've got about 229 cars in stock today. We bring in about 40 new ones every month, so you never know what we're gonna have coming in next. And I guarantee you, this little red Corvette will not be here long. If you're interested in this one, give Tom a call today at 248-974-9513. We're real close to the airport. We'll come down to the airport, pick you up. We'd love to have you come in on a Saturday. We're here till 3 o'clock. If you'd like to hop in your car, drive out and see us. We've got 100,000 square feet of building where we've got our cars. So if you're coming out, we'd love to have you give us a call. Let us know you're coming. Make sure we get your favorite car to the front of the line so we can hop in it, take it for a ride. We'll get that dream parked in your drive. We spend a lot of time picking these babies out. We've got a whole team of buyers that goes all over the country looking for these babies. When they get back here to the shop, our team of classic car mechanics and detail guys get after the cars. That way we can answer all your questions when you call Tom at 248-974-9513. Now we're gonna do something you don't see anybody else doing. We're gonna get this car up on the lift and I'm gonna get underneath it and we're gonna show you everything you need to know about the bottom side of the car too. That's the most important part of the car. You need a good foundation. A lot of them are shiny on the top. Well, we like them shiny on the bottom too. So stick with us. We're gonna get it up on the rack now. Here's our shop right here at 15100 Keel Street. We'll get them up on the rack right now. All right, we're underneath this 77 Vet and she is clean under here too. We got brand new exhaust on it, or at least fairly new exhaust. It looks like those are MagnaFlow stainless steel mufflers there. Everything's nice and clean up in here behind the bumper. The backside of the fiberglass looks good. All the suspension back here is in good shape. The guys went through the brakes, everything's in good shape here. Floorboards are nice and solid. And on these Corvettes, everybody knows you gotta check these dog legs. This frame looks amazing. It looks like it's brand spanking new. I can see the shims are in good shape here and the lower control arms. The floorboards look good up here. Again, the frame looks good. All the lines going front to back look good. The fuel lines and the brake lines. This is an 81 model Turbo 400 trans. We got a chrome closeout there on the torque converter. Looks like the control valve on the power steering's been replaced and the lines and the slave cylinder looks like it's been replaced. Again, the guys will check out the brakes in the front. The bushings are in decent shape up front here. The front frame horns are nice and straight. The aluminum radiator looks nice and clean. Paintwork right down to the bottom edge here looks great. I mean, just an amazing Corvette, guys. I wouldn't be afraid to put mirrors underneath this car because she's in beautiful shape. Now let's look at wheels and tires. So we got the stock rims here. They've cleaned up real nice. They're in beautiful shape. I don't see any major rash on them whatsoever. We got Cooper Cobra tires and it looks like the size is 255/60 15s. Again, the rocker moldings are in good shape. The frame looks great. Now let's check the rear. All right, out back here again, rims are in beautiful shape and probably the same size. Yep, 255/60 15s. Again, paintwork looks good right down to the bottom edge. These dog legs look great. The frame's amazing. Let's get under the hood. All right, under the hood here, this is a 70 model 350. It's got a 600 CFM Edelbrock carb sitting on top of it. Looks like it also has an Edelbrock intake, aluminum intake there. Looks like the fan clutch is new. I can see the radiator is new. We got the label here from the manufacturer. It's got a new style AC pump on it. Everything under here is nice and clean. All the wiring looks good. All the lines look great. Just an amazing build on this car. The gentleman who owned this car loved this thing and showed it a lot of love, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.